Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. Wanted to make this video on our free day trading course. If you're not familiar with us, we are the Bullish Bears. If you head over to our website, you'll see we have thousands of dollars worth of free courses over here. And all you need to do to get access to any of them is just register with your name and your email. You get a free account, and you'll get a password. You'll get a welcome email. Give it 5 or 10 minutes or so. Once you receive it, just come over with your name and your password. Log in up over here. You could also change your password right under account, and then you just click on the corresponding course that you want to take, right? So this video is on day trading. So our day trading course is a phenomenal complement to our trade rooms. Again, we do offer a day trade, swing trade, and a futures room. So while you're taking our day trading course, you could also, set up a nice virtual account with either Thinkorswim, Interactive Brokers. Those are two really good virtual accounts. So if you're new to trading and you want to kind of practice and really get your feet wet, you can take our day trading course, set up a virtual account with either Thinkorswim, Interactive Brokers, or another broker, and then come in and practice in our trade rooms. Talk, if you're looking at day trading, come join our day trading room, where we also do each day live streaming, right? So we live stream the markets, and we're very diverse. We have several of us that teach on day trading. Some of us enjoy penny stocks, some day trade options. So we give you a diverse look each day, a couple solid hours of really teaching all the different strategies like penny stocks, day trading stocks. And it's, again, really good complement to take what you learn in our day trading course and implement it in real-time settings. Again, we highly encourage using a virtual practice account first before you trade with real money. So I'm just going to take a moment, just kind of show you behind the scenes what you get in our day trading course. You'll see once you log in, you just come down and just take the course, right? And you just start right up here, getting started. And you'll see right here, we have a momentum trading strategies for beginners. So it's kind of a longer kind of overview of day trading, right? What to look for, the basics of it, kind of bringing it all together. So it's a good solid tutorial of day trading in general, and gives you kind of a good overall outlook when day trading. This video right here talks about how to draw support and resistance levels. The importance of volume, right? Volume, incredibly important. That's why we love scanners like Trade Ideas, which is a hunter of volume, especially when the pre-market opens. You'll see we post our Trade Ideas gappers up here each morning right under scanner. But traders, hunters of volume, especially day traders, and you want to catch that right in the pre-market, right? So you want to see what pre-market, what movers are moving in the pre-market, and be able to be a hunter of volume. So we're going to talk to you about the importance of volume in here and how to be a hunter of volume to look for potential stocks to trade, right? So next up, we talk about limit orders and market orders and the difference of both. We are limit order fans, not market order, and we explain why in this video. You got to be very careful with market orders, especially on penny stocks. So this video here goes in depth on limit orders versus market orders. Stop losses, incredibly important, right? We absolutely teach about risk management and its importance. But if you're new, we really like to stress, and again, we talked to you about it in this stop losses video, to have a mental stop loss, not putting a physical order into the system. You can get really burnt by putting stop losses into the system. So having a mental stop and being able to discipline yourself to pull the trigger when a stock hits your mental stop level, rather than putting it into the system and then having it trigger. So again, especially in many of these penny stocks, they'll pump and then they'll dump and then they'll bounce right back up. So you have to be very careful. Level one is the concept of, again, just goes into what level one is. And we also go into level two in a future video. So we explain both level one and level two. Moving average lines, we talk about exponential moving average and simple moving average. Really popular, especially when day trading. Again, they are lagging indicators, but they're very important areas to be aware of. Again, candlesticks are the most important line of defense to understand support and resistance. All the other indicators are lagging, but there are also many different important indicators, especially within exponential and simple moving average lines. There's several of them that traders are aware of, especially when day trading. So we're going to go over the most popular ones and why you should be aware of them, especially when day trading, because other traders are keeping an eye on them. Next up, we talk about RSI, another really popular indicator. Again, don't rely completely upon it, but we talk about, again, overbought and oversold levels in RSI. It's just a really popular kind of eyeball gauge level when a stock is overbought or oversold, which shows and kind of gives you a heads up on popular or potential reversal levels, right? So, if you know candlesticks and the patterns, and then you see it coincide with an indicator like RSI, a potential reversal might be forming. Level 2 talks about all the different buyers and sellers. We talk about time and sales and level 2. Again, level 2 can be manipulated, so I wouldn't completely rely upon it, but it's a nice gauge to keep an eye on. And time and sales is really important because you can see when the orders are being filled. So we kind of give you an overview on level 2 and time and sales. And next up, we talk about float and the float of stocks. Again, low floaters are those ones that move up, those ones that pump and dump really quickly. Again, pump and dump is definitely a negative connotation. So we're not saying don't trade them. We're saying those are those trade ideas, low floaters that we look at each morning. Again, we teach you how to trade them properly in our course and that you're looking at here, our day trading course, but also in our trade rooms. But we talk about float, those low floaters, those are the ones that move up. They pump and dump very quickly. The higher the float, the slower stock tends to move. Again, not always 100% the case, but that's kind of like the typical gauge. So we go in float, and we explain it and how float affects stocks, especially when day trading. Red to green moves, very popular when a stock goes from red on the day to green. Very popular strategy to be aware of. Again, incredibly important support and resistance levels. So we teach you red to green move trading in this video. Gap and go, another extremely popular day trading strategy. Again, hence why we love trade ideas that finds those gappers and it hunts for that volatility, hunts for that volume, and we teach you the gap and go strategy and how to trade it in our gap and go video. Again, it's very important to remember that stocks run with the markets, right? So if you're trying to go bullish on stocks on a particular day, but the overall market is bearish, it's going to be very difficult to do. That's why we always have a futures chart or an S&P chart up, kind of looking at the overall market to show you, kind of what the market's looking at that day. If the market's extremely bearish, you're going to have to be careful going bullish. You might have to either go, short that day or look for potential dip buys, or again, don't trade, right? You can't lose money if you don't trade. And you want to always look for the best setups, not trade just to trade. This video here, we talk about shorting, extremely important and popular strategy. Again, so we go into depth on how to short stocks. And hotkeys, incredibly important if you want to become a day trader. You have to be super quick on the trigger, and hotkeys enables you to get in and out of stocks very quickly. And kind of last but not least, trade ideas. We, again, give you a high-level overview on trade ideas, why we love them, how we use them over here. We recommend trade ideas once you have the budget available. Again, like any type of education or career or profession, you need tools, right? But you don't want to just go and buy something if you can't afford it yet. So, if you've been studying, you're ready to implement, take trading to the next level, then you can pick up a tool like trade ideas. If you're brand new, you might want to hold off. Again, we do a try it kind of before you buy it in our community when you become a member. Again, we go into depth over here on trade ideas. And kind of last but not least, we go over Thinkorswim, one of our favorite brokers. We have a whole course on Thinkorswim, so you can take that right over in here. And then if you become a subscriber, we teach you how to build our watch list videos that we do every night. So you'll see we go really in depth in our day trading course. Lots of content that we put in here. If you've done your research online, you could even just type in day trading courses and you'll see they cost $1,000+ elsewhere. So again, if you just register for your free account below, you'll get a login and password, and you can just come down and you'll see we just make it very simple, right? Just kind of click down here, go in order, and take our tutorial videos on day trading. And then when you're ready, join our community and practice. Come into our day trade room. We have lots of fun, great community, a great place for you to immerse yourself, practice what you learn, interact with other traders, and again, do it in a virtual account in real world settings until you become comfortable day trading. So hopefully this video helped you, and we will see you in our community. Enjoy.